Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Waze and confirming location permission is active. This ensures accurate routing. Next, type your main destination in the search bar and select the result. This creates the base route. Once the route appears, look for the route card or the three-dot menu. That is where Waze exposes add-stop controls. Do this now so you can place an intermediate stop without recalculating from scratch, which saves time and avoids rerouting errors. Now add a stop. Tap Add Stop on the route card, then search for an address, place, or select a pinned location. You can add multiple stops. Make sure to position each in the intended sequence by dragging or using the reorder control, because order affects travel time and directions. Once placed, review the revised ETA and route preview to verify directional flow. Make adjustments if a stop forces a major detour. This helps you balance convenience versus total trip time. Finish by tapping Done or Go to start navigation with your stops in place. Waze will guide you through each waypoint in order. If Waze recalculates incorrectly or a stop doesn't appear, remove that stop, then re-add it. Intermittent server or cache glitches can cause this. If problems persist, restart the app and toggle your device's GPS. That frequently resolves save failures. Remember to check for app updates, because outdated versions can introduce navigation bugs that block stop additions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.